I'm going to show you how to add folders and file path as an exclusion in your Windows security. Here, search for Windows security. There we have it, Windows security. Click on it, choose virus and threat protection. Click on that. Down here, click on manage settings. Scroll down all the way to exclusions. Now click add or remove exclusions. Click add an exclusion. You have 4 options here: file, folder, file type, and process. Choose folder. Now navigate to the particular folder you want to add as an exclusion. For example, if this folder is located in my document, all I have to do is to click on the document. Now I'm going to make this folder a sample. Click on it and choose select folder. It's that easy. Now this folder will be excluded from any virus scan or antivirus intrusion. I'm going to give you one more example. Now you want to add the file path of your application. For your applications and software, all you have to do is to locate the file location of that app. I'm going to make this one a sample. Right click on it, then choose open file location. So here is the file location of this app. So now go up here, click on it and copy this file path. Just copy, then go back to your Windows security, click add an exclusion, choose folder. Then at the top here, delete the content. Now paste the file path of the application. Press enter, then choose select folder. This is a simple process. However, I'm going to leave a warning here. Before you take this action, make sure the application is safe to use so you don't end up being a victim of a malware attack. I hope you find this tip useful. Do well to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future post. See you on the next one. Bye for now.